Hello, this is the Cobra MT40VXLE, which is a lawn edging attachment that you can fit onto your multi-tool. This is how it arrives in this box. So what we're going to do is just take the tape off, take it out, and I'll show you how you can get it ready so you can start edging your lawn. So here is the lawn edger. This is the piece of kit that goes onto the multi-tool, and this will go along the edge of your lawn where the border is, and the blade spins round and makes a very neat and tidy edge for you. Comes with a couple of tools. Comes with this spanner here. This is should you ever need to take the blade off and replace it, so that's the spanner for there. And there's also an Allen key. We've got this little rubber flap here which just stops anything being thrown out of the back, and you can adjust that or replace it with this Allen key just here. And the other adjustment on it is this wheel here, and you can slide the wheel up and down to get the perfect cut on your lawn edge. So this will move up and down so you can adjust the height to get it comfortable for you to use, and as I say, to get that perfect finish. Once you've done that, you would probably normally leave it that way. And that is it really. Apart from that adjustment, there is absolutely nothing to do except for fit it onto the multi-tool and use it in the garden to do your edges. So here's the power unit, which you can use for all the attachments in the multi-tool range. And here we've got our edger. So what we need to do first of all is take off the rubber stop at the end. This just protects the shaft in there, stops any dirt and debris getting into it. So it's important that you hang on to that and keep it for when you're not using this attachment. And what we do here, we've got the line with the arrow and a hole there. So if we just lift our power pack here so that they're in line and just slide that in, and then what we're going to do is give it a bit of a twist and a wiggle, and it will click into position like that. So that is in now, it won't come out, and then we can tighten that into place with this red toggle here. So that's firmly in place, and then we can use that in the garden. And when you've finished with it and you want to take this off and put something else on, maybe a grass trimmer or a hedge cutter, then it's just the reverse. So we then slacken the toggle off and then push the button on the top just there, give it a wiggle, and out it comes. And then we've got our cap to put on just to protect it, and we can put that away in the shed or the garage until we need it again.
Remember to register your Cobra online at cobragarden.co.uk. Always have your Cobra serviced regularly. Check the website for your nearest dealer.